for school. I spent the night. Hannah, look. Got ya. Yeah. Tomorrow is our last FCAT. Oh, look at me. Pink. Tomorrow's our last FCAT. And yeah, it's science and we're gonna fail. So yeah, that's it.